Topic learning. Question 1. What is your subject at school? Is it difficult to study? I have many subjects at school, but I'm particularly passionate about English. In this subject, I learn new vocabulary, sentence structure, and how to communicate fluently. Although I enjoy it, learning English can be challenging because of complex grammar rules and heavy emphasis on theories. Besides, I sometimes fail to keep up with conversation pace. I think I need to try to improve my English. Question 2. Will you continue studying after finishing high school? Yes, definitely. I plan to apply to a university in my city. I will study for a bachelor's in primary education at Hanoi National University of Education. That's the mother of study and the school I have dreamed of since childhood. The big reason is my mother, who is a good teacher, inspires me a lot. I also want to follow in her footsteps and become a good teacher in the future. Question 3. Do you think you're a good student? Yes, I think I'm a good student because I always go to school on time and take part in extracurricular activities. In class, I pay attention to the lessons as well as review my work before school. I have never skipped classes or missed any deadlines. Besides, I always try to improve my studies every day. In fact, last year I finished all my homework with the BLH. Question 4. Do you like studying at your school? Why or why not? Yes, I really do. I like that we have knowledgeable and talented teachers. Students in my class take part actively in class activities. This provides a lot of useful information. It encourages me to pay more attention to my studies. Because of that, I feel motivated to study harder and cared for by my teachers. Besides, I always look forward to going to school. Question 5. Do you prefer to study alone or with others? I prefer to study by myself at home. I like it because I can focus on what I need to learn. I also don't feel like talking to my friends all the time. Besides, I can revise my lessons at my own pace. However, I sometimes study with my teachers and my friends when we have group projects or when I need help with difficult subjects. I think both ways are useful, but studying alone is better for me. Question 6. What do you do in a class at high school? In class, I usually listen to lectures, take notes, and answer questions from the teacher. I also work on group projects, which is an activity I really enjoy. We also present our ideas in front of the class and do research on different topics. Personally, I find this way of learning quite effective. It helps me understand the lesson better and remember them for longer.